Okay, the clock's winding down on a day that seems to bring out procrastinators. If that's you, you have just an hour, 52 minutes left, something like that, to file your taxes. But we have help for you tonight, don't fear. But first, though, on this tax day, we have learned that 25% of IRS employees are planning to take buyouts and resign. That is 22,000 people. This is according to CNN tonight. The deadline for IRS employees to accept the buyout offers was this morning, part of the Trump administration's effort to shrink the federal government. Now, you might have picked up the chatter about whether all the chaos at the IRS could maybe give you cover not to file. Well, I called today MSU Denver accounting professor Robert Persichitte, Well, I asked him about that.
You're hoping, with all this chaos, maybe they'll forget about me and I just won't file.
Probably not going to happen. And the chaos in the IRS is really affecting a lot of things. It's affecting how easy it is to talk to somebody at the IRS. It is affecting the level of training that those people are getting within the IRS, and it's affecting the audits. What it's not affecting is a lot of the automated systems. So if you don't file, the IRS knows exactly what your income is. That comes to them. They get that in their system. There's not even a human in the mix for most of those returns.
So the deadline to file your taxes or file for an extension, 11:59 tonight. Now, if you do file an extension, you still have to pay what you owe by that midnight deadline. So what if you don't know what you owe? Make your best guess and pay that tonight.
If you don't pay in, you still have a late payment penalty. If you can't quite do it, don't think that just because the deadline is passed, it's all over and done with. The quicker after that deadline that you can fix things and get things done, the lower that penalty is going to be, the lower the interest is going to be.
So even if you don't have an exact amount, it's better to do something than nothing.
That's all I've been doing all day is trying to figure out what's the ballpark of what you owe, and let's send that in.
All right, Professor Persichitte tonight. Sorry I butchered your name. There are easy to find instructions right now for you on irs.gov.